Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change mobile number in Yahoo Mail account. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to simply open up Yahoo Mail app on your mobile phone. So after opening up that, you have to just simply log in with your correct account. So after making sure that you have logged in with correct account, you have to just simply click on the top left corner of your profile, and here you have to simply head over to settings. So after clicking on settings, it will redirect you to the Yahoo Mail settings section, and you have to just simply click on the first option, which is manage accounts. So after clicking on manage accounts, you have to just simply click on account info. So after clicking on account info, my display might be hidden to you, but it is due to security purposes of Yahoo. That's why I'm not able to record at that moment. So after that, you have to just simply click on the security section, which is third option. So after clicking on security, it will ask you for your phone lock. You have to just simply apply your phone lock, and it will redirect you to Yahoo security section. So here you have to just simply scroll down until you will be able to find an option which is recovery phone number. So you have to just simply click on the option which is add a phone number, which is below to recovery phone number. So you have to just simply click on it and make sure you have to just simply add a phone number. So if you have already added a phone number, you will be reviewed the option which is change mobile number. Because I have not added any phone number, that's why I'm just seeing the option which is add phone number. So I have to just simply click on add phone number, and you have to just simply click on change phone number, and you have to simply add a new phone number instead. And in this way you guys can change mobile number in Yahoo Mail account. So I hope this method finds you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.